So if you're ready to launch your first product on Amazon and you have done everything, like we have created the listing, we have sent the inventory from your supplier warehouse to Amazon FBA warehouse, and we have everything done. But still, your listing is not active, and when you click on your listing, then you will not be able to see any add to cart button here or any pricing here. So I know that that thing might be frustrating for you because you have done everything and now you are not able to launch your product because people cannot buy, right? So in 80% of the cases, this happens when you are not having the featured offer active. So in this short video, I'm going to explain you what feature offer is, what listing price is, and what business price is, right? And if you understand all of these prices and set those prices before launching your product, then you will be having no issue while launching the product. But if you don't set any of these price, then you might not be able to launch your product perfectly because people will not be able to see the pricing, and when they will not see the price, they will not be able to purchase, right? So if you're also facing this issue, then no need to worry. I'm here to help you because on my channel, I publish all of the troubleshooting videos regarding e-commerce business, so you guys can actually watch those videos and get your problem resolved instantly, because I know that finding solution for these kind of problem can be hectic and it can waste a lot of your time. So that's why I'm here to save your time, so you can use that time in focusing on marketing of your product so you can get more and more sales and make more and more profit. So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then make sure to subscribe for these kind of solution driven strategies that might help you grow in your e-commerce business. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Amazon Seller Central. So basically you can see that this is my listing, and on the left side I can see it's active. And if I zoom in and go on the right side, so here you can see that this is a price and shipment cost section. So basically here you can see my featured offer is active and I can see a green tick on that. And when I hover on that tick, you can see the message, your standard price plus shipping price is less than or equal to the respective price. So basically, if your price is not less than or equal to, then you might get this feature offer not active. And instead of this green tick, you might see this yellow sign or maybe a red sign, right? So as in my case, I'm already having my featured offer active. So here is no need to active. But if in your case, it's not active, so you will be able to see this sign, just like I'm getting on business price. And then on front of it, you will be able to see the set button, right? So when you click on the set button, so on the left side, a new menu will be open. And from that menu, you can actually set that feature offer, right? And if you don't want to set it from here, or if you're unable to see this option, then there is another way to do that. So close that menu, and on the right side, click on the edit, click on these three dots, and then go on edit. So when you click on the edit listing, you will be able to see this page, and here you have to click on this offer tab. So basically this is a tab where you can see multiple sections asking for the price. You can see this is your price and this is sale price. And if I scroll down, this is list price. So basically if you want your product to be active, so you have to fill out all of the prices here. Like you have to make sure none of this price section will be empty, right? So as you can see here in your price, I have put $18.5. And if I scroll down, so in list price, I have put $22. And if I go up, so you can see that my sale price is empty. So basically right now, I'm not running any sale. That's why I have put this empty. But if you're running sale, then you can put the sale price here. And you have to put two dates, like sales start date and sales end date, right? So if you put all of these value and make sure no value will be empty, like your price and list price, and then if you go back and see here that the feature offer is green, that means you are good to go. But if it's not green, then you have to go here again and make sure to fill out all of these prices here, right? And here you can see that I have not set the business price, and here I have not set the sales price as well. But I will recommend you to put these two prices as well, because when Amazon see that you have put all of these prices like sale price, featured offer, listing price and business price, then you will get some cool looking badge on your listing, and Amazon will promote your listing more. Like Amazon will think that you are a good seller and you are giving too much option to your buyer to buy, right? So if you give discount, you give business price, you give bundle discount, then the chances for your listing to get more and more sale will be super high. So right after watching this video, go there and try to put the value of the pricing in each section, because if you do that, then your listing will be active and it will be able to reach out to more and more buyers. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.